Alright, good morning guys. So right now, this is a wheel straightener tool. It was ordered on Amazon, I believe, I think, or eBay. It'll be one of those. Get it out of the box. Pretty heavy tool, huh? Oh well. Box is destroyed already, so anyway. There we go. Let's open it up. 4-ton. Bubble wrap. Comes in its own toolbox. That's good. What's in here? So we got a handle bar. Put that here. Can't see that in the video. Let's see. Should be good right there, guys. All right. Might be able to see that. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, whatever this is heavy. Let's open it up. Ooh, there's all the kits. The irons, okay. So we got here, like a piston. I guess to like attach it if you want to extend the bar. That's perfect. Piece here. And this box out of here. Actually the pump. That's gonna get screwed into this. Alright, we'll just get everything out and then we'll test it out in a minute. Just do that. Alright, get this out of here. Now these are the dollies for the rim. There we go. There we go. Shape this as a rim barrel right there. This will pretty much go in there, and then the other side, depending on the size of your rim, will go on the machine, and then just pump it, and it'll expand out. You know, wherever your bend is, you put it on, heat it up, and pop the dent out. Ooh, that's heavy. That was almost my toes. All right, let's get you out. Okay, that's out. That's out. It's nice. Comes to its own case. What's that razor blade? Get the razor blade real quick, guys. Let's open this up. I kind of wanted the red kit, but they don't have the red one anymore. This is the updated version. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of the box as well. Got here. Alright. There we go. Take this out. Screws, yep. Screw into the piston. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so it goes in like that. Yes. Did you go through all three? That's what I asked you, all three of them, even them out. Alright, that's in. This is basically just a stand. So let's take this, right? This will go like that, depending on the size of your wheel. This will go in here like that. Let's go like that. Let's say, I gotta put this one on, but you guys get it. That can stay there. This will go there. Now the screws in. Screws in there? Oh no. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Screws in. That must be to let the air out and then tighten it, lock it in. Yeah, see, there you go. Moving right here. Can make it better. Hold on, be right back. Viewing of this, see right now, it's at 20¼ inch. Watch the piston, see? See the block? The block is moving, see? Going down to 21. There you go, see? It's extending out right now. 22, look, see, 22. That's 22-inch rim right there. See how far can we go? $23-inch rim. $24-inch rim. Pretty wow. I can actually go longer because we have the extensions right here. So maybe I could probably go all the way up to 30-inch. There we go, look at that. That is awesome. Can't wait to test it out on my first rim job. Alright. So in the meantime, let's put it away. So we don't need it right now. Where this goes? This was the cap for that, right? We'll put that in here. Just so we don't lose it. Hopefully we don't have to take it apart. I don't think I do. Okay. See if it fits in the case without taking this out. So here, let's do this. Let's push all this backwards. Yes. Okay. Let's see if it fits in the case. This dope machine. So I am gonna leave the bubble wrap just so it can protect it inside. There you guys go. Straighten that camera out for you. Right, let's put that like that. Bubble wrap. This is heavy. Take the piston out. This thing is heavy. Let's get the controller. We have to take the arm off so it doesn't fit completely. Alright, let's take this out. Okay, so it fits like that. Let's get the pistons in there. Sorry, not the piston, the iron. Handlebar could go in there also. Okay, another one there. And then the small blocks go right here on the side. The protect that, I'll put that there. Cover this. Just cover that. And this will go here. Lock. And we're done. Not bad. I like it. We're gonna test it out this weekend. So. Nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming soon. We'll do a video on this, actually straightening out one of the wheels.